Now, combining half equations. The rule is electrons have to cancel out. It's a bit like simultaneous equations solving algebraically. So, first of all, the electrons have to cancel out. So that means when we add the two equations together, two half equations together, we have to have the same electrons on each side of the equation, so they'll cancel out. Once we've done that, we combine all the reactants on one side, all the products on the other. Then if we've got the same chemical on both sides, like if we've got H pluses on both sides or H2Os on both sides, then they can cancel out. So what do we see? Our two half equations, you see 4 electrons in one, 2 in the other. So we have to multiply our second equation by 2. So that means doubling all of the coefficients in the equation. So 2 becomes 4, 1 becomes 2, etc. Now we're going to combine the two half equations. Line them up with the arrows above each other so you get all the reactants on one side, all the products on the other. Electrons cancel out automatically because they have to. And we just chuck in everything else. Now we see we've got H pluses on both sides. They can simplify down. We can cancel out 4 of the H pluses. And that will leave us with just 4 H plus on the left-hand side and none on the right-hand side. Now they have to be identical chemical forms. So H plus can only cancel out other H pluses, not H2 or anything like that. Commonly it's H pluses and H2Os which cancel out in these equations. Do a final check the states, and that is your balanced equation for that initial scenario that we started off our examples with. Do the questions and submit them, and I'll get back to you with solutions.